We'll guide you through how to fix the taskbar missing or not showing on Windows 11. This issue can be really annoying because it stops you from easily opening apps and accessing your desktop features. So let's get started. First, move your cursor to the very bottom of the screen. Sometimes the taskbar is simply hidden because the auto hide setting is enabled. If the taskbar appears, here's how to disable that setting. Press the Windows key and the letter I together to open Settings. From the left side, click on Personalization. Now scroll down and select Taskbar. Scroll further down and open Taskbar Behaviors. Here, uncheck the option called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. This may immediately fix the issue. If the setting was already disabled and the taskbar still isn't showing, try the next method. Press the Windows key and E together to open File Explorer. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. From the menu, select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Click on it, then select Restart Task in the top right corner. This will restart the Windows taskbar and desktop interface. In many cases, this instantly fixes the missing taskbar issue. If the taskbar is still missing, the next thing to try is restarting your computer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Then click the power icon in the bottom right corner and choose Restart. You can also completely shut down your PC and turn it back on again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the missing taskbar problem on Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.